So I was scrolling through Instagram and I came across this post. It says, know your 4x4, dominate any trail, basics of 4x4 theory, and course completion certification as well. And it also said, even if you don't have a Thar, just come along and we'll give you one. I said, wait, what? So I did what any curious enthusiast would do. I packed a bag, jumped into my Thar, and hit the road to Igatpuri. So we're on our way to Igatpuri not just to test the Thar, but to truly experience what it means to own one. Because Mahindra doesn't just sell adventure vehicles, it builds a whole world around them. This is the Mahindra Off-Road Training Academy. Today, it's hosting an event for Thar owners and even people who don't own one. You just book a slot, show up, and the Thar does the talking. For amateurs who've never gone off-road before, this is a safe, guided place to learn. For pros, it's a playground. It's not about proving anything, it's about exploring what you and the Thar can do and basically what both of you all together are capable of.
Been pretty much on the highways and I'm kind of bored of them, so I thought I'll try the mud, the jungle and all of that, and that's why I chose the Mahindra Adventure Academy. Quite fun, a great experience overall. Never been in this terrain and it's quite a lot of learnings as well, so great time to spend my Sunday with. So great fun, yeah.
It's great experience of course so far, and I've thoroughly enjoyed it. I skipped one of the obstacles because it's my first time, so this thing. But what I want to say is that the highlight that I really enjoyed is seeing your drone, the RevWheels drone that went up right above us right now, and it was great to see that.
There were a lot of these small points which the Academy has brought out, which we did not know. When they tell it to us, it makes a huge difference, and we are able to put it into practice. Like the car, we could never take the car so smoothly up an incline before like this, on slush. So that's a big learning, yeah.
It's been thrilling, it's been fun, and I'm thoroughly enjoying.
Yeah.
I love off-roading. I've been off-roading for the past 10 years. I own a Thar CRD. This is the most fantastic place. I love coming here every year, every season, in rains, and this is where I belong, I feel.
This is your first time at the Mahindra Adventure Academy?
Absolute first time. Yeah.
All right. So how do you rate the experience?
It's a 10 on 10. I can't say otherwise. I mean,
Great.
I'm from the other party, but I will say that this has been a very fruitful learning experience.
Awesome.
Yeah.
This is what I love about Mahindra. They don't just hand you a very capable off-roading machine. What they do is invite you to be a part of a very special tribe, to learn, to explore, to experience adventure, but safely with the right kind of support. This is where strangers become friends, where off-roading feels less intimidating and more empowering. I came here because of a reel. I left with an experience I'll never forget. That's not marketing, that's Mahindra building a lifestyle one trail at a time.